Hi, I'm Alex, a digital AI avatar for ProGadgetPicks. I'm here to cut through the noise on smart home tech so you can make a confident buying decision. Links in the description are Amazon affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Most robot vacuums lose their way halfway through a large floor plan, dock to recharge, and never finish the job, leaving entire rooms untouched. I evaluated 5 robot vacuums specifically for large home coverage, mapping reliability, and runtime that actually matches the square footage. I'm ranking 5 robot vacuum for large homes from worst to best. Number 1 might surprise you. What I'd like to present to you now is an overview of the analysis that we've done for the 5 robot vacuums for large homes. We'll get into each individual robot vacuum right after this overview. What I want to show you here are some of the key things that stood out from our research and analysis. This first board is the scorecard, and it's where we rate each robot vacuum across key performance metrics based on over 2,400 owner reviews. The one I want to highlight here is the iLife A30S. It scored a 9 out of 10 for suction power at 10,000 pascals and a 9 for battery life. But self-maintenance came in at just 3 because there is no self-empty dock. That single gap defines who this vacuum is for. Let's take a look at the next board now. This board is the feature check, and it compares all 5 models side by side across their core capabilities. The standout numbers here are 10,000 pascals for the highest suction in the group and 90 days of self-emptying capacity on the Ticum L8000 Plus. What this comparison shows is how quickly the field splits. Only 2 of the 5 models include mopping, and one has no self-empty dock at all. Next up, we go to the owner verdict board, and it focuses on what real owners are reporting after 90 days of daily use. The Ticum L8000 Plus sits at 82% satisfaction, with 90% of owners saying they would recommend it. The 3 things owners praise most are the 90-day self-empty capacity, the 5-floor mapping, and the auto carpet boost. That combination of long autonomy and multi-floor coverage is what keeps satisfaction high. This next board in the analysis maps out where each model actually lands when you weigh up features against value. The Roborock Crevo sits at the top with mopping and high suction power, making it the most complete package for large spaces. The Shark AI Ultra delivers full automation without mopping. And the Eufy L60 combines hair detangling technology with decent suction, which makes it a solid pick for pet owners who need regular daily cleaning. And now for the last board, which is the real price board, and it breaks down what the number 1 pick, the Roborock Crevo, actually costs to maintain over 2 years. The 4-liter water tank means less refilling between mop sessions. The sealed dock bag lasts 7 to 9 weeks between changes, and at 2.7 liters, it holds more than most competitors. Brush replacement runs about every 6 months thanks to the full rubber roller. That adds up to genuinely low ongoing maintenance. So there you have it, ProGadgetPicks overview analysis of the robot vacuums for large homes. Up next, we'll go through our top 5 countdown. Starting with number 5. The iLife A30S is a vacuum-only robot that brings 10,000 PA spot suction and 150-minute runtime. Serious specs at the entry tier. The iLife A30S is a vacuum-only robot built for large homes with pets. LDS LiDAR navigation combined with SLAM mapping systematically charts floor plans with minimal missed areas. The anti-tangle roller and side brush process pet hair without mid-cycle jams. Runtime reaches 150 minutes per charge, suitable for high square footage. Suction reaches 10,000 PA in spot mode for embedded carpet debris. One limitation is there is no mopping function and no self-empty dock. Check the link in the description for current pricing. That covers the core capabilities of the iLife A30S. Adding on to that feature set, here are a few extra. 10,000 PA in spot mode extracts embedded carpet debris, and the 150-minute runtime handles large square footage on a single charge. Anti-tangle roller and side brush process pet hair without mid-cycle jams. The obvious trade-off is no self-empty dock and no mopping. You are emptying the bin manually and cleaning hard floors separately. For large home pet owners who prioritize suction power and runtime over convenience features, it delivers. Coming in at number 4, the Eufy L60 takes a different approach. It focuses entirely on solving the hair problem with a mechanical detangling system built into the dock itself. The Eufy L60 is built for owners of large homes who need consistent floor coverage without frequent brush maintenance. 5000 PA suction clears hair and debris in a single pass, while iPath laser navigation with AI. MAP 2.0 enables room-specific scheduling and no-go zones. The hair detangling technology automatically slices wrapped hair from the roller brush at the dock station. The 2.5-liter dust bag supports up to 60 days before emptying. One limitation is there is no mopping function. Hard floor cleaning is limited to dry vacuuming only. Check the link in the description for current pricing. Now that you have seen it in action, the Eufy L60 fills a specific gap. The hair detangling technology slices hair from the roller brush mechanically before it winds tight, and the 2.5-liter dust bag supports 60 days of hands-free operation. The trade-off is the missing mop function. Hard floors get vacuumed, but not wet cleaned. For large home owners who prioritize low-maintenance vacuuming over combined vacuum mop capability, it earns its spot. Number 3 goes to a vacuum mop combo that stores 5 separate floor maps. The Tickum L8000 Plus targets multi-floor homes where coverage consistency matters floor to floor. The Tickum L8000 Plus is a vacuum and mop combo built for owners of large multi-floor homes with mixed surfaces. It maps up to 5 floors using 360-degree LiDAR navigation and delivers 6000 PA suction with automatic carpet boosting. The 3-liter self-emptying dust bag holds approximately 90 days of debris. One limitation is that mop mode requires manually removing the mop holder or configuring no mop zones to avoid wetting carpet. Check the link in the description for current pricing. So those are the headline specs for the Tickum. 6000 PA suction with automatic carpet boosting, plus a 3-liter dust bag that lasts approximately 90 days between empties. The trade-off is the mop holder. You either remove it manually before carpet runs or set no mop zones in the app, a step that competing models handle automatically. If you run a multi-floor home and want the longest interval between maintenance stops, the L8000 makes a practical case. At number 2, the Shark AI Ultra brings 360-degree LiDAR and a self-cleaning brush roll designed specifically for pet owners managing large carpeted floor plans. The Shark AI Ultra uses 360-degree LiDAR navigation to map large floor plans accurately, even in low-light conditions. A self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair wrap during operation using mechanical resistance. No manual detangling needed. Runtime reaches 120 minutes with recharge and resume, ensuring the unit finishes the entire floor. The XL bagless self-empty base stores up to 60 days of debris. One limitation is the onboard dust bin holds only 0.27 gallons, requiring frequent self-empty cycles on heavy shedding days. Check the link in the description for current pricing. With those features on the table, the Shark AI Ultra delivers where it counts for large home pet owners. 120-minute runtime with recharge and resume ensures full coverage, and the 60-day XL self-empty base means weeks between manual interventions. The catch is the small onboard dust bin at 0.27 gallons. On heavy shedding days, it cycles back to base more often than you would expect. For pet owners who want set-it-and-forget-it operation across a large single floor, this is a strong contender. And the number 1 pick. The Roborock Crevo is a premium vacuum and mop combo that handles large mixed-floor homes from a single dock. Let me show you why it earned the top spot. The Roborock Crevo is a vacuum and mop combo built for large homes with multiple floor types. It delivers 8,000 PA of hyperforce suction while dual spinning mop pads handle hard floors simultaneously, fed by a 4-liter water tank from the integrated dock. PreciSense LiDAR builds persistent floor maps for efficient route planning. A full rubber brush roller resists hair wrap with minimal intervention. One limitation is the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi requirement, which may need a router check before purchase. Check the link in the description for current pricing. Getting back to the product rundown and the reasons why the Roborock Crevo earns its position. The Roborock Crevo leads this roundup for 2 reasons. Its auto-lift mop raises 6 mm when crossing carpet, the only model here that eliminates manual pad removal entirely. And its 8,000 PA suction is the highest measured figure across all 5 models. backed by precise sense LiDAR that maintains consistent routes across multi-floor layouts. One limitation is the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi restriction, which can complicate initial setup on dual-band routers. But overall, if you manage a large home with both carpet and hard floors and want one dock handling everything, this is the unit to evaluate. The full written breakdown is at ProGadgetPicks.com, link in the description. The comparison table and all 5 affiliate links are there. If this helped, subscribe. I rank smart home tech every week, so you don't have to. See you in the next one.